Welcome, Mr. Dome, and welcome to this crypto update. Now, as you can see, Bitcoin has broken through this trend line. We had a nice retest, and then we shot back to the upside, and we made a new all-time high here. So even though Bitcoin looks very bullish, and it seems like Bitcoin will be heading for that 150K in February, altcoins don't look good at all from my perspective. And the reason is obviously you heard the news already that Donald Trump he issued his own meme coin called Trump or official Trump meme coin or whatever. And this thing here just absolutely shot to the tens of billions of dollars in total valuation. So as you can see, it launched here on January 18th. It was $6 when it was listed on CoinGecko, and now it's practically $60, so a 10x just when it was listed on CoinGecko. I know some people were sniping this thing and made a lot of money, but believe me, insiders made the most amount of money with this because the token distribution for this meme coin is 80% is held by insiders, which is absolutely crazy. It's a little bit disgusting also if you ask me, but now the fully diluted value is $60 billion, which is completely nuts compared to, for example, Doge. Because Doge, total market cap for Doge is, let me go and take a look at it, is also $56 billion. So Trump has overtaken Doge as the biggest meme coin on the planet as of now. So this is absolutely crazy, and the insiders are just swimming in cash. But that was not enough for them. What they did then, basically one day later, is that they issued a Melania Trump meme coin as well. And this thing also shot to the billions of dollars. So Melania Trump is currently, what is the fully diluted valuation is almost $12 billion. So again, absolutely crazy. And what this means for other altcoins and other meme coins is that these two meme coins are now sucking all of the liquidity out of the market. So all of the altcoins, meme coins are basically just crashing while these are pumping because these are getting all of the liquidity. But this also, in my opinion, makes crypto look like a complete joke. And Donald Trump, it makes him look like a complete grifter as well. So if he's supposed to be a pro-crypto president, as of now, he's only basically nuking the markets while promoting absolute gambling here on these two meme coins. And who knows, maybe they will create Eric Trump meme, maybe they will create Baron Trump meme or Donald Trump Jr. meme or Ivanka Trump meme or whatever, who is part of that gang, Elon Musk meme, who knows, maybe that will come like an official Musk meme, who, whatever. Anyway, this is the situation here, and what obviously I'm a little bit salty here. I'm not gonna spend too much time on the saltiness, but we were invested in this MAGA Trump token here, and when I told you guys about it, it was roughly $80 million in market cap. Now it's back to $80 million as well, and as you can see, basically the price was cut in half within just 24 hours after the other Donald Trump, the official Donald Trump meme coin was released. So I was not expecting this. I think none of you were, and it's a little bit annoying, but it is what it is. And now what's going on next with Donald Trump, obviously, is that they have their uh, own DeFi or decentralized finance protocol, which is the World Liberty Fi. And this thing, it has been on a public sale since October of last year. And now they added 5% more of their token supply, and it is now available for buying. So you have to buy it. If you want to buy it, you can buy it here on their official website. And as you can see, almost all of the tokens are now sold. So initially they sold 20% of the supply, and now they added another 5% of the total supply in this sale here. So they will be selling 25 billion tokens, and the insiders and the team and everybody else, they will keep roughly 75% of the supply. One thing to note also is that the price is currently $0.05, which means that the fully diluted valuation for this token is currently roughly $5 billion. So that is the current valuation. So if you do participate in here, then you expect that the valuation of this token is more than $5 billion. Then it makes sense. But at first, for the first 20%, this number was not $0.05, it was actually $0.015. So the price has now practically tripled since the first batch was sold. So this is what's going on now, and this is what they are promoting basically to sell right now. As you can see, this was just released a few hours ago. 4 hours ago. So anyway, this is the background here, but now let's actually head over to Bitcoin talk. So Bitcoin, as you can see here, Bitwise, they bought $200 million of Bitcoin ETF in one single day, and the ETFs are just on a buying spree. And when we head over to sentiment and we take a look at the on-chain data, you can see more Bitcoin is being taken out of the exchanges, which is obviously very, very good. It's bullish. Bitcoin looks very, very nice here. You can see the stablecoin market cap has started to increase dramatically, which is a signal that the market wants to go higher. So this is good to see. Also, when we take a look at the old wallets that have held Bitcoin for more than 90 days, 1 year and 3 years, practically nobody is selling Bitcoin as of now. So there are no sellers on the market, which is absolutely beautiful and just signals that Bitcoin really wants to shoot higher. All the other ones are practically irrelevant here, all of the other data points. So practically no sellers here. And then let's hop over to social value, and let's take a look at the not this one. So let me see if I can get over to the here. So socialvalue.com, and we head over to the ETF section and we take a look at the inflows. You can see almost $1 billion worth of inflows on a Friday, and the inflows have been very, very high in the last couple of days. And then let's head over to CoinGlass here. So on CoinGlass, we do not want to look at liquidation heat map. What I do want to show you guys is the order book liquidity delta. So this shows us when buyers and sellers are active. And as of now, you can see the sellers really came active here at the price of $100,000. But as of now, the sellers have practically been exhausted. So there's not really a lot of sellers in the market as of now, which kind of signals that the move can simply just continue from here. Maybe there can be a small pullback back to like $106,000, but it seems like Bitcoin just wants to go higher. So taking all of this into consideration, Donald Trump takes office today. He is grifting on meme coins, he's grifting on altcoins, and the whole crypto market looks like a complete joke, except for Bitcoin. So if you are trading these markets, in my opinion, the best bet is to bet on Bitcoin right now, because who knows if Donald Trump issues another meme coin, all of the liquidity will go to that meme coin, and basically the cat is now out of the bag. And sure, you can snipe those meme coins as they are being implemented, but Bitcoin is the true king. This is not a meme coin, and this is where a lot of the institutional money will flow into, not into the meme coin mania, but unfortunately altcoins are kind of meme coins as well. So a lot of the liquidity from altcoins is also flowing into meme coins and now Bitcoin, because this is the only safe haven in crypto. So that's practically my update here. So I don't know like how the price will go. Will it simply go to 150K in the next month, or will we go sideways and then back to the upside? I guess the first two days of Donald Trump's presidency will have a major impact on how fast or what the price decides to do. But as of now, Bitcoin looks quite bullish. So this is not the time to sell backs unless you have altcoins. Maybe you want to basically let them go for Bitcoin, because Bitcoin looks so much better than anything else, in my opinion. So that's basically the update for today. Now, if you want to trade these markets, Bybit is a sponsor of this channel, and you can claim up to 500 USDT position airdrop using the link in the pinned comment below. So thanks for watching this video. If you want to get uh, updates on a regular basis, basically on live, then I suggest you join our Discord group, because I post almost on a daily basis stuff there, updates, and you can also participate in the discussion as well. Anyway, that's it for this video. Hope you liked it, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks, and bye bye.